Once, there was a magical house where pop stars lived in perfect harmony. But nothing lasts forever.
Whoa. Why? You're eating all my cheese. I can't do it. I'm done.
He's bitten into my cheese. Oh! People in this house haven't got any idea.
When one man
Who's eating my teeth?
decides it's time to remind people how to love, he had to choose between who he really is
Hey, Mason. Did you put this on my bed?
No?
and who they thought he was.
I like it.
What do I look like to you? A baker?
The story of a man brimming with kindness,
Has anyone got a towel?
saving the world one good deed at a time.
You just passed me that. It's a miracle.
Mason Noyes is the nice guy.